Hello, today you will learn fun facts about mineral resources. Peat has powerful conservation properties. In the swamps, where there is a lot of it, the remains of people or animals that were dragged into the bog many centuries ago are found. Their bodies are preserved in almost perfect condition with no pronounced signs of decay. Rock salt is one of the leaders in extraction. Of the total amount of salt mined, only 5% is used in cooking, the remaining 95% is used in industry. The Darvaza crater is located on the territory of Turkmenistan. During excavations, gas began to seep out of it, which they decided to set fire to, believing that it would soon burn out all over. But after several decades it still burns. There are a lot of metals in the bowels of the earth, but only copper does not emit sparks when metals hit each other. Uranium is of great importance for the energy industry. The complete cycle of changes in this fossil consists of 14 stages. And in the end, after 1 billion years, it eventually turns into copper. The hardest substance in the world is diamond. Oil often contains natural gas impurities. It is extremely rare in its pure form. Granite is extremely resistant to external influences. Granite structures have been preserved for thousands of years. Platinum, when discovered in South America in the 16th century, had no value. And only centuries later its value began to exceed the price of gold. Human civilization received a powerful impetus in its development after the start of the extraction of gas, coal, oil, and metals. Gold has the greatest flexibility among metals. 1 ounce of it is enough to make a flexible and strong thread about 80 kilometers long. At first, oil was collected from the surface of the seas and not extracted from the bowels of the earth. In Europe at that time it was considered whale urine. The most toxic lake in the world is located in the United States. It was formed as a result of flooding by rains of an old quarry in which copper was mined. The first surgical instruments made in the world were from obsidian. In many countries, coal is the backbone of the energy industry. The extraction of this particular mineral occupies a leading position in the world. In addition, coal is used to make oil. If the information was useful to you, you can like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.